Hey there guys, welcome back to another video today, and today we're going to do a little different video today. We're going to do some Python tutorials today. And there's going to be short little videos of just how to do stuff and all that such, but yeah. So, first, what Python is, it's a programming language that you can use to program, all that such. And we're going to be using Visual Studio. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to leave the link to all these places as well. You're going to go to code.visualstudio.com/download. You're going to click Windows or Linux or Mac or whatever. And you're going to install that. And this is what Visual Studio Code is. And then you're going to want to install Python on your system. And then you're going to download Python for either Windows, Linux, Mac, or other. And then after that, you're going to open up Visual Studio Code. You're going to go to Extensions. And you're going to type in Python and click the Python one and then install it. And that's how you do that. And to set up the interpreter, well, first we're going to open a folder first. So we're going to open a folder. We're going to go to, let's see, um, hold on. We're going to open this folder. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong one. Whoops. Here we go. So we're going to go to How to Python Tutorials and select this folder. It's going to open this folder. Yes, trust his author. If you get that. I'm only getting that because I use GitHub, which we'll talk about in another video. But first thing you're going to do is you're going to right click, new file. You're going to call it hello world.py. And you want to set up an interpreter. So that Python you downloaded, it's going to be this one, but it might go to this one. It's recommended to use this one because it actually works well, in my opinion. And it's the latest one as well. So yeah, you're going to choose that interpreter. The language is Python. Now, in order to print something, you want to do print, and then you need quotations. It could be double or single. Hello world. And we're going to do another one with the double location. Print hello world. Add an exclamation point. We're going to Control S to save it. And then you can just run the code. You can run the Python file on a dedicated terminal or debug Python file. So we're just gonna run the code, and it's gonna open up your terminal, and it's gonna say hello world. Did it twice, so we got both.